Doubletake have now just released a new mounting system and arms for their classic mirror range. They're some of the best mirrors to be mounted on your adventure bike and your enduro bike. But what's happened in the past, they were using ram mount balls and arms, and the ram mount could not handle the forces that were putting through for the motorcycles with windage, and you tended to have the mirrors moving around a lot. You could never get the arms tight enough. You would actually tighten them such that you would end up distorting the balls and having to get new mounting balls. So they've come up with a new mounting kit, which is this here. It's called their Universal Mount Kit. It includes the new style ball, which is a bigger diameter ball and a harder material so that you grip it better, plus the fact that you now have all the screws, both left and right hand, and different lengths to be able to suit just about any type of motorcycle. Included in that is a spacer, and what I've done with this WR250, I've actually had to use the spacer here because I need the clearance above the reservoir for the front brake. And in this case, what we've got is the new ball already mounted there. The arm, this is the 3.5-inch arm, and this arm can only be mounted one way. The bottom of the arm mounted over the ball has ribs, and these ribs actually bite into the ball and give you a greater purchase and better grip on there. The top of the arm is exactly the same size as the original. If you've already got a Doubletake system, you can use the original mirrors you've got and just go with a new mounting kit and arm, and they are just so simple to install. Once you've got that on, what I tend to do is hold the arm over the mirror. I place that on the ball, tighten that up so that it's reasonably firm. It will now start to bite into the ball on the bottom, so I can move the arm and get the position. And once I've done that, I can then tighten that up, and that will then lock that mirror in place. That is the 3.5-inch arm. This is the 6.5-inch arm. So you've got a choice of a short arm, which is typically what I would mount to this Yamaha WR250. On the 6.5-inch arm, I would actually be fitting this to a larger adventure bike, something like a KTM 790, Tenere 700, or larger, right up to the new BMWs. And again, as I've mentioned in the past, that mounting system will fit just about any motorcycle. The joy you have here is the fact that you can use your original mirrors if you've already got a Doubletake system and just purchase the mounting kit and the arm which will suit your motorcycle. For those who haven't actually bought a Doubletake mirror system in the past, you actually have 3 different style mirrors. This mirror is what they call the scrambler type mirror. So again, for something like a small enduro style bike or a scrambler, this is a great mirror. What they've also included is that same style mirror with a longer arm if you need a greater distance away from the center. And on the larger bikes, typically people go with what's called the adventure style mirror, which is this mirror here. And it's a wider mirror, so it gives you greater vision when you're riding on the motorcycle. Any one of these 3 mirrors will fit any one of the arms. It is a totally modular system. The mirrors, the new mounting system, and the balls are all in stock here at Adventure Moto.